Hey, digital dreamers, what if I told you there's a way to turn your passion into profit, all from the comfort of your laptop? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not, and that's the power of digital marketing. In today's video, I'm breaking down the secrets of digital marketing in a way that even your grandma can understand. Stick around because by the end, you'll know how to start your digital marketing journey and take your first steps toward building an online empire. Ready? Let's dive in. If you're not marketing there, you're missing out. Let me tell you a quick story. My friend Sarah started a small jewelry business from her living room. She struggled to get customers at first, but then she tried running Instagram ads. Boom! Her sales tripled in a month. Digital marketing is a game changer because it's like opening a 24/7 shop that reaches millions of potential customers. And here's the kicker. You don't need a huge budget to start. With creativity and the right tools, anyone can do it, even you. So, where do you begin? Start with these 3 steps. First, learn the basics. Platforms like Google Ads, Facebook, and SEO are your playground. Tons of free resources online, no excuses. Second, pick your niche. Are you into fashion, tech, or fitness? Find your passion and target audience. And third, experiment and analyze. Post content, run small campaigns, and track your results. Digital marketing is all about tweaking and improving. And there you have it, the Digital Marketing Starter Pack. Remember, the internet is your stage and the audience is waiting. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because next week, I'm sharing the top 5 free tools to kickstart your digital marketing journey. Oh, and tell me in the comments, what's one thing you'd like to market online? I'd love to hear your ideas. See you in the next one. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep marketing. Peace.